Hi, welcome back. Especially today, I'm going to really share you day 7. We're in the final day of this 7 days of series of YouTube live stream where I've been really challenge accepted and I've been chasing it out. Yes, of course, the day 6 and 7 I have been have a free recorded here, but at the same time because I had some other things to be planned to take it up. Now, if anybody's landed in my YouTube channel first time, so for them it says I'm Sharan Bagodi, founder of SUV Freedom Universe, where I'm really living on only one mission. I want to really help people to become a free. So based on your one skill or experience or the whatever you've been using that system, I want to really get into that completely freedom mode there, right? So if you're not gone through that my day 1 to day 6, I request you to please go through in the same playlist there. You get a lot of series and insights there where I'd been completely live streamed there based on the different topics there. Okay. So now day 7th, today is one of the what is it? Celebration or ceremony day, I can tell. But at the same time, today overall gone through that day 1 to day 6, day 7th, 100% I guarantee you will get that some transformation there. When it comes to the freedom, yes, today I have been reserved one of the beautiful topic where if I were starting from zero today, where I can start, how it can be started. So that's what the topic which I'm going to share with you all today. So now if I had a zero money or some zero clarity or some zero confidence, these are exactly what I would like to do actually. That's what actually I want to really share with you all today. So when you're starting from zero, the biggest danger is always a noise. The noise I'm talking in terms of there'll be some too many of opinions, too many of shortcuts, too many of comparisons. Okay, how we can really it can be removed there. So the first thing I would like to do always stop listening to everyone and start choosing the right directions. By listening to the your well-wisher, the right mentorship, whatever you've been choosing it out. Of course, today even I won't really have in the 3 sections or the 3 point would like to share with you all what I would ignore the completely. This is what exactly the things I won't really ignore when I'm starting from zero that I want to really share with you today. Point number 2, what I would focus on the relentlessly means non-negotiable. Point number 3, the first 30 days actions, what I would take if I'm starting from zero today. So hope you're all excited for all these 3 points. Show me your excitement, putting some emojis in the comment section so that I can connect with you. Yes, this person is learning there. Correct? Even though if you're watching at a free recorder on the later stage, I want to really put your some emojis there so that I can really, if you're really fired up, show me your 5 emojis there. If you're really loud this, put you some heart emoji there, right? So that I can really connect there. Coming back to the point number 1, what I would ignore completely if I'm really starting from zero today. I would really ignore number 1. If anybody is offering some quick money promises, yes, Sharon, you put their money, this will come, this there is no shortcut to become a millionaire. There is no shortcut to become a billionaire. So all this who are all become a millionaire today or billionaire today, they all gone through or whatever they are enjoying the overnight success, they are really they put their own effort there. It could be 10 years, 3 years, 5 years. Yes, never ever fall into that quick money promises always. If somebody is telling you, please run away from that. Second thing is, as well, no overnight success stories. If anybody is selling overnight success, of course, they put their 20 years of effort back in. There is no don't fall into some shiny tools, okay, without some fundamentals. Especially I know today in especially even in same YouTube, wherever you go, you may get a lot of tools there who are all really promoting left, right. But unfortunately, the same person, if you see, follow them after 6 months, they'll have different tools there. So follow the person who is really following the tools, which is really helping them, not changing your path there, right? And anyone selling hype without structure, if you really feel that there is no structure backed up, there is no backed up science, If they're selling it out only hype there, please run away from them. That's what all these things I won't really ignore when I'm starting from zero today. So because starting from zero requires always the stability, system support, and the proper mentorship. It's not the excitement there actually. So don't fall into that excitement. Okay. Choose the stability, choose that system which is supporting them. The goal is not to have a fast results there actually. The goal is to have the sustainable directions and a proven results. And you should really stand for your long term there. That's what actually I mean to say. Hope you're really clear for this in the point number one. Okay. If you all resonate this, I won't really put sustain so that I can connect. Yes, point number one is clear for you. Point number two, what exactly I would focus on the relentlessly rather than those whatever the ignore things which have been shared in the point number one. I would focus on just three things I want to relate. Number one skill that can solve the real problem to this world. What is exactly one skill can help? Like in my case, I've been able to identify, yes, Sharon. So you are like coaching and mentorship can really help the people to solve the real problem. What is the real problem? Many people, they have an idea, okay, but they're not able to put it in execution mode. They're not come up with a business execution, especially. I want to help them to start their own business. Number two, I like one system to practice it daily. So what is it, like any system, if you really assure that if you follow this system for next 10 days or 20 days, 30 days, if you really assured about daily, you please go for it. Have that system to practice it daily. And one environment that supports your growth. So all these three things always relentlessly, I wanted to follow it continuously so that I can get that no multitasking, no distractions. So always that gives, which is going to all these three things, it may help me to get that clarity in front of me. And that gives me the skills to build it up for the next level. And systems always that gives me more winning right there. The point number three is how we can really put your 30 days action, especially even if I'm there in that shoes also, how I can really take it up for first 30 days, what exactly I do. So I would not chase income, especially beginning in 30 days or 60, 90, depends on the project where you're choosing. Don't fall into that chasing the income there actually. So always I've been taught from my mentors, whatever we are doing today, like day in and day out, all the business, be in that service intention. Second part is that becomes money is going to be byproduct. Don't fall into number one as its primary. So I would chase always the competency rather than chasing the income there. I'll have a competency I'll put on myself on the completely in the learning curve. Second thing is I put on myself on the patient practice mode. I'll take the feedback continuously from the my wherever the target market. So keep on improving on day basis there. So then income is going to be it's the result of the value there. So when the value grows there, by default, your income also grows naturally. Okay. So I mean you just keep adding value to the people or to the society, by naturally your income will grow there actually. People are really looking for the freedom. Even though if you have a zero, you can really starting from zero is not an a weakness. It's always that becomes a powerful beginning there actually. So most of the time you heard right, a zero is very much powerful. But when you put into that actions, that becomes a powerful. When not in the actions, again, it's valueless. So, or the powerless, right? So it's a powerful beginning when your directions is very clear. When you get that super clarity, so that automatically that beginning becomes a very much powerful. I believe that all this 7 days series of the knowledge which I shared here, and of course, whatever I learned from my mentors and systems, with all my own real life story, some examples, experiences. So all those things, I just put it up in the 7 days. I thought, why can't share with this? So that's what actually I shared all this. I request, if you're out gone through that all 1 to 7 days, I request you please take your time, go through that. if you're really connected, and comment in the sections just freedom there. And I have one small call to action for you right now. Like, if you're really looking for, if you're the person, if you're really serious and committed to build your freedom there, the build your freedom means like, I want to really have a dream for you. I want to really work 4 days in a week, just 4 hours per day, and rest all other time you invest in your some creativity, or to your family, or to like whatever you would like to do something, right? So that's what actually it will happen by only leveraging your time and effort there actually. Correct. So now, like, if this 7 day series, if it's really helped you to think differently, to take actions towards your dream, means I request, like, please do share with your loved ones, and please do subscribe my channel if you're really not subscribed this till today to get your regular updates. And I'll have a one clear next step is that I have a invitations. Okay, this is only for who are really serious and committed, for those people. Okay, to design your freedom, to come back and experience in my 90 minutes of where I take I'll make you that live experience there, how you can really your one skill or your experience, like how the system which I'm showing you, like how it's going to be leverage your time and effort there, and kickstart your business there, and you get that predictable income in 90 days by putting your dreams into action there. Okay, this is what exactly what I want to really share with you all during that live 90 minutes there. So I'm assuring that 100% will be putting into that action mode. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your all valuable time there. I'm just like, even if you watch all these 7 days, means just put your all sharings in the comment section so that I can also connect with you all. Yes, you all really gone through these 7 days. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm just signing off here. This is Sharan Bagodi. I want to really wanted to be your freedom partner there. Just kickstart your freedom journey. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good day.